This medieval torture was worse than death, revealing chilling methods that inflicted unimaginable pain, making even the bravest warriors dread capture. In this macabre world, the fear of torture loomed large as tales of suffering spread like wildfire, gripping hearts with dread and fascination. As stories of these tortures circulated among the populace, they served not only as punishment, but also as cautionary tales meant to instill fear and obedience in the hearts of all. In the name of justice, these brutal methods often blurred the lines between punishment and entertainment as the crowd gathered drawn to the spectacle of suffering. Behind closed doors, the real motives were laid bare as power-hungry individuals conspired to wield torture as a means of instilling fear and asserting dominance over their enemies. In this chilling reality, the line between justice and cruelty was often blurred as public executions became a morbid display of power that captivated and terrified all who witnessed them. As the nights wore on, many faced the cruel reality of incarceration, trapped in darkness, where the fear of torture festered alongside their dwindling hope.